Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Chat.
Hi there. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Bob. Today, we have a really important topic for you.
Yes, today we're talking about feelings, emotions.
Feelings are so important. We feel things every day, right?
Exactly. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel tired or excited.
And today, we're going to help you talk about your feelings in English.
We'll teach you simple words and phrases. You can use them every day.
Before we start, please give us a like if you enjoy our podcast and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
Okay, are you ready, Bob?
I'm ready. I'm feeling excited.
Me too. Let's begin.
So, Olivia, let's start with the basics. What are some basic feelings?
Good question. Let me think. The most common feelings are happy, sad, angry, tired, and scared.
Perfect. Let's talk about each one. First, happy. Happy means you feel good. You smile.
Yes, for example, I am happy today. Bob, when do you feel happy?
I feel happy when I drink my morning coffee. How about you?
I feel happy when I talk to my friends. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I am happy.
Good job. Now, the next feeling is sad. Sad means you feel not happy. Maybe you want to cry.
Right. For example, I am sad because my friend moved away. Sad is a normal feeling. Everyone feels sad sometimes.
Let's practice. Repeat. I am sad.
Great. Now, what about angry? Angry means you feel mad. You are not pleased.
Yes. For example, I'm angry because someone took my parking spot. When you're angry, maybe your face gets red.
That's true. Repeat. I am angry.
Excellent work. The next feeling is tired. Tired means you need rest. You need sleep.
Oh, yes. I feel tired right now because I woke up early today. Bob, do you feel tired?
Sometimes, especially after work. Repeat with us. I am tired.
You're doing amazing. The last basic feeling is scared. Scared means you feel afraid.
For example, I'm scared of spiders, or I'm scared of speaking in front of people.
Many people feel scared of something. It's okay. Repeat. I am scared.
Perfect. So, we have 5 basic feelings: happy, sad, angry, tired, and scared.
Let's review them one more time. Listen carefully.
Happy, sad, angry, tired, scared.
Great. Now you know the basics, but there are more feelings.
Okay, Olivia, what are some other feelings we can learn?
Let me tell you, we can learn excited, nervous, bored, surprised, and confused.
Ooh, good ones. Let's start with excited. Excited means you feel happy about something that will happen.
Yes, for example, I am excited about my vacation, or I am excited to see my family.
Excited is a positive feeling. Repeat, I am excited.
Good. Now, what about nervous? Nervous means you feel worried. Maybe something important will happen.
Right. For example, I am nervous about my English test, or I am nervous about my job interview.
Nervous is normal. Everyone feels nervous sometimes. Repeat, I am nervous.
You're improving already. Next is bored. Bored means you feel nothing interesting is happening.
Yes. For example, I am bored at home, or I am bored in this meeting.
When you're bored, you want to do something fun. Repeat, I am bored.
Nice. Now let's talk about surprised. Surprised means something unexpected happened.
For example, I am surprised. I didn't expect to see you here. Or, I am surprised by this gift.
Surprised can be good or bad. Repeat, I am surprised.
Wonderful. The last one is confused. Confused means you don't understand something.
Yes. For example,
I am confused about this math problem, or I am confused, can you explain again?
It's okay to feel confused when you're learning. Repeat, I am confused.
Perfect. So now we have 10 feelings total.
Let's say them all together. Happy, sad, angry, tired, scared, excited, nervous, bored, surprised, and confused.
Wow, that's a lot. Good job, everyone.
Okay, Olivia. We learned 10 feelings, but how do we use them in conversation?
Great question. The easiest way is to say I am plus the feeling. For example, I am happy.
Yes. Or you can say, I feel plus the feeling. For example, I feel happy.
Both are correct. I am happy and I feel happy mean the same thing.
Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after me. I am happy. Now say, I feel happy.
Excellent. You can also add more information. For example, I am happy because today is Friday.
Or, I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
See, you explain why you feel that way. This makes your English more natural.
Let's try some examples together. Olivia, how do you feel right now?
I feel excited because I love teaching English.
Nice. Okay, listeners, it's your turn. Think about how you feel right now. Are you happy? Tired? Excited?
Try to say it out loud. For example, I feel happy because I am learning English.
Or, I feel tired because I woke up early.
Good job. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You're practicing.
Now, let's talk about asking other people about their feelings.
Yes, you can ask, how do you feel? Or how are you feeling?
For example, hi Olivia, how do you feel today?
I feel good, thanks. How about you?
I feel great. See? It's a simple conversation.
You can also ask, are you okay? This is perfect when someone looks sad or tired.
For example, you look sad. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm just tired.
That's a great question. Good job, everyone.
Now let's listen to some real conversations. This will help you understand how to use feelings in real life.
Okay, let's do dialogue number 1. This is at work.
I'll be person A, you be person B.
Got it.
Hey Bob, you look tired. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm just tired because I stayed up late last night.
Oh no, did you sleep at all?
A little. I feel better now, though.
Good. Make sure you rest tonight.
See? That was natural. Now let's do dialogue number 2. This is with a friend.
Okay.
Olivia, you look so happy today. What happened?
I am happy. I got a new job.
Wow! Congratulations! I'm excited for you.
Thank you. I feel nervous, but I'm also excited to start.
You'll do great.
Perfect. Did you hear that, listeners? We used happy, excited, and nervous in one conversation.
Now dialogue number 3. This is at home.
I'll start.
Go ahead.
Bob, I'm bored. What should we do?
I'm bored too. Do you want to watch a movie?
Sure, that sounds fun. I feel better already.
Great. Let's watch a comedy. I want to laugh.
Nice. That was easy, right?
Yes. Listeners, did you understand? Let's listen to all 3 dialogues one more time.
Listen carefully. Try to repeat the feeling words you hear. Excellent. You're doing so well. Okay, everyone, we're near the end of today's lesson.
Let's do a quick review. What did we learn today?
We learned 10 feelings: happy, sad, angry, tired, scared, excited, nervous, bored, surprised, and confused.
We learned how to say, I am happy or I feel happy.
We learned how to ask, how do you feel? Or, are you okay?
And we practiced with real-life dialogues.
You did an amazing job today. You should feel proud.
Yes! Keep practicing every day. The more you practice, the better you get.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes! Here's our community question. How do you feel today?
That's right. Tell us in the comments. Do you feel happy, tired, excited? We want to know.
And tell us why. For example, I feel happy because the weather is nice.
We love reading your comments. It helps you practice, and it helps us understand you better.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
Don't forget to like this podcast and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye and keep practicing.